Hello students, today we'll see the methods of preparation of phenols. So methods of preparation of phenol involve first method, that is from chlorobenzene, and this process is called as Dawes process. So what happens in Dawes process? सबसे पहले हमारे पास होगा क्लोरोबेंजीन, and this chlorobenzene we are going to react with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. Now remember one thing here, chlorine has a lone pair of electron. तो अभी ये लोन पेयर जो है ये पाई बॉन्ड की कॉन्जुगेशन में है, मतलब ये रेजोनेंस में इन्वॉल्व है. इफ इट इज इन्वॉल्व इन द रेजोनेंस मींस दिस कार्बन क्लोरीन बॉन्ड विल एक्वायर अ पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड कैरेक्टर. तो अगर इसमें डबल बॉन्ड कैरेक्टर ज्यादा है मतलब इस क्लोरीन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है OH माइनस से. तो अभी इस केस के लिए हमें फोर्सफुल डिस्प्लेसमेंट करना है, मतलब इसके लिए हमें बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर चाहिए. Temperature just like 600 to 700 Kelvin, and we also require a very high pressure. So what will happen? This OH minus at very high temperature and very high pressure will displace this chlorine by OH, and hence we will get here phenol. But since the medium is a basic, this phenol is an acidic compound, and hence by acid base reaction we will get here salt which is called as sodium phenoxide. अभी हमें फिनॉल बनाना है, नॉट सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड, सो हमें इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एसिडिफाइड. सो व्हेन इट विल रिएक्ट विद वाटर इन एसिडिक मीडियम, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस विल गेट्स कन्वर्ट इनटू फिनॉल. इट विल गेट्स कन्वर्ट इनटू फिनॉल एज अ प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज Dawes process or preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Now we are having second method, that is from benzene sulfonic acid. Next method we are having from benzene sulfonic acid. So what is benzene sulfonic acid? How it is prepared? Benzene sulfonic acid is prepared from benzene. So when benzene undergoes sulfonation with oleum, then first we will get here benzene sulfonic acid. So now this benzene sulfonic acid when fused with NaOH, so what will happen, benzene sulfonic acid on fusion with NaOH first will get converted into phenol, no doubt. But again the medium is basic, so this phenol will get converted into salt, that is called as sodium phenoxide. What is it? Sodium phenoxide. Now we want phenol, so we will acidify this sodium phenoxide by reaction with the dilute acid, and hence we'll get here phenol. So what we got here? Phenol as a product. Similarly, phenol can also prepared from diazonium salt. Phenol can also prepared from diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium salt. What is the formula of benzene diazonium salt? Benzene is here, diazo means there are two nitrogen, azo means nitrogen, ozonium means it carries positive charge, here is a Cl minus. This particular compound is called as benzene diazonium salt. How it is obtained? It is obtained by reaction of aniline with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is HNO2. It is prepared by mixing sodium nitrate with HCl. So aniline on reaction with nitrous acid, that is HNO2, will get first converted into benzene diazonium salt. This benzene diazonium salt when heated with water, then what will happen at that time? N2 is the world's good living group. So this N2 will get replaced by OH. So side product will be N2 and HCl will be the side product. So this is all about the preparation of phenol from diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium salt. Now next process, which is a very much important process, that is called as from cumene. The cumene process is the industrial process by which the phenol is prepared worldwide. Industrial process, or which is also called as large scale preparation of phenol from cumene. What is meant by cumene? Cumene means isopropyl benzene. बेंजीन पे अगर आइसोप्रोपाइल ग्रुप होगा तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे हम? We will call it as a cumene. So this cumene on reaction with atmospheric oxygen, this O2 will get inserted into this CH bond, and hence we will get here a new compound where we are having benzene attached to carbon, which is attached to 2CH3, and now here this oxygen will insert into CH bond. O single bond is called as peroxide. O single bond O. Since this peroxide is obtained from cumene, hence it is called as cumene hydroperoxide. It is called as cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide in acidic medium undergo rearrangement. Then क्या होगा? ये जो फिनाइल ग्रुप है इस OH पे शिफ्ट होगा, और ये जो O ऑक्सीजन सिंगल बॉन्ड है ये कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में शिफ्ट होके हमें साइड प्रोडक्ट देगा CH3, C डबल बॉन्ड और CH3, that is nothing but acetone, and we will get here our main product. What is the main product? We will have benzene attached to OH, that is phenol. So remember, cumene process involves the formation of very much important byproduct, that is acetone, along with our main product, that is phenol. So these all methods are enlisted in the NCERT textbook, and this last method is very much useful, that will be asked in the various kind of examination. So that's all about the methods of preparation of phenol. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care.